Good morning, guys. Welcome back. It's been a long time, and I'm happy to be back here. Hope you're all happy to have me too. Uh, we started a topic sometimes ago on simultaneous equations, and we have been able to look at various forms or various way of solving it, which are elimination method, substitution method. I think the only method we didn't treat then was graphical method, but there is still some simultaneous equation that involved fractions. So when it involves fractions, how do we go about it? Definitely what we are saying is that you have to break it down to a linear form so as for you to be able to solve it. So we have a question before us this morning. So we are asked to solve this simultaneous equation, which is x over 2 minus y over 6 is equals to 1. Also, x over 3 plus y over 2 is equals to 1 over 5. So I'm going to start with the first part. So let me write solution. So now, the first part, we have x divided by 2 minus y divided by 6 is equals to 1. So definitely I'm going to take the LCM first. LCM of 2 and 6. So I'm going to use 6. So 6 divided by 2, 6 divided by these 2, which give me 3. Then 3 times x, this is 3x, minus, now 6 divided by this 6, this give me 1. 1 times minus y, that is minus y, which is equals to 1. So from here, you can cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, it will be 1 multiplied by 3x minus y. So this still give me 3x minus y. Okay? Then 6 multiplied by 1. 6 multiplied by 1. So this give me 6. So which form? 3x minus y is equals to 6. So this one will give me equation 1. Okay? Then we go to the second part, which is x over 3 plus y over 2 is equals to 1 over 5. Okay? So I'm still going to take the LCM of this one also. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So 6 divided by 3 give me 2. So 2 times x. So this is 2x plus, now 6 divided by 2. This give me 3. 3 times plus y, that is plus 3y, which is equals to 1 over 5. So we also cross multiply here. So when you cross multiply, so we have 5 into 2x plus 3y, which is equals to 6 multiplied by 1. So if we open this bracket up, I will have 10x plus 5 times plus 3y, that is plus 15y, which is equals to 6 times 1, that is 6. So I have my equation 2 there. Now, 10x plus 15y is equals to 6. So this gives me equation 2. Yeah, are you with me? So let's move on. So I will combine both equation 1 and 2 and use any of the method. So 3x minus y, rather 3x, equation 1, 3x minus y is equals to 6. So this is my equation 1. Then 10x plus 15y is equals to 6. This is my equation what now? 2. So you can decide either to use elimination method or substitution method from here. So if you look at it, I would prefer to go with substitution method, because from equation 1, it will be easier for me to make y the subject of the formula. Okay? So from equation 1, I can say minus y will be equals to 6 minus 3x. So if you multiply through by minus, minus into minus y is equals to minus into 6 minus 3x. Okay, so this give me y is equals to 6 plus 3x. So I can name this one equation 3. So I will now say substitute for y is equals to 6 plus 3x into equation 2. Definitely you are not going to use equation 1 again, because if you go and replace this in equation 1 back, you are still going to get the original equation 1. So you will use equation 2. So and what's equation 2? Equation 2 is 10x plus 15y is equals to 6. Okay, so now let's put y, 10x plus 15 into what is our y now? 6 plus 3x, which is equals to 6. Okay, so 10x plus, let's open 15 times 6. So what do we have? 15 times 6, this is 30, is 0, 6, then plus 3. Sorry, this is 30. Then you write 0, you keep 3. 6 times 1, that is 6. So 6 plus 3, that is 9. So we have 90 plus 15 times 3, that is 45x. 45x, which is equals to what? 6. Okay? If you collect the like times, 10x plus 45x, that is 55x, which is equals to 6 minus 90. Yes, 6 minus 90. Yes, 6 minus 90. Yeah, hope you are following. So that means x will be equals to 90. If you subtract 6 from 90, that is 80 what? 84. So we have minus 84. Hold on. If I'm not missing something up here. So let's see. Minus y. This is minus 6. Yeah, I've seen it. This place should be minus 6. This is minus 6. Yeah, this is minus 6. Okay, so please, you have to check from this place. Minus 6 plus 3x. So definitely this is minus. So this becomes minus 90. Sorry about that. So when this one now come to this other side, so this one becomes plus. So 55x will now be equals to 96. So x will be equals to 96 divided by 55. So which give us one whole number, 41 over 55. So this is our value for x. So x is equals to one whole number, 41 over 55. So this is our value for x. This is our value for x. So watch out for my next video to get the value for y. Thank you. Yeah, bye.